Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, here we go. This is going to be another one from our friends at HJC. They are just on the gas when it comes to the helmet graphics. Their partnerships with DC and Marvel have really helped. And I don't want to give anything away here, but look at even the packaging is cool. The Joker is what we have here for you today. I've already seen it. I can attest to the fact it is absolutely kick-ass. This helmet is going to ship complete with a clear and a dark smoke screen. There's the clear. I put the dark smoke on for visual effect. Fog-free pin lock insert. DC HJC helmet bag. So lots of presentation here. This is a great helmet too, by the way, the RPHA 11 Pro. I've got the Captain America. I have the Spider-Man. I've ridden in them both, and I can tell you they are excellent. Look at that bad boy right there. This is absolutely epic. I think this is one of the best they have ever done. When you get it in your hands too, you get a good close-up look at it. You see there's some depth in here to the graphic as well. Excellent helmet. One of our sponsored riders, Rocco Landers, is racing an HJC, right? He loves it. I love it. You love it. And the Joker loves it.